Are you overwhelmed by financial management? Imagine simplifying your financial processes easily. Introducing Books365 Financials, your ultimate tool for effective financial management. Managing receivables, payables, and cash has never been easier. Let's explore how Books365 can transform your business step by step. Automate sales invoices to receipts, purchase invoices to payments. You can also process bulk payments and bulk receipts against due bills. Books365 automatically generates all required documents with few selections. You can automate or post manual journals quickly. Say goodbye to tedious paperwork and long spreadsheets. Reconcile your cash and bank accounts effortlessly. Your transactions will match perfectly every time. Ready for more? Books365 lets you manage multiple financial years seamlessly. Yes, you can handle accounting periods with ease. Create customized financial document types tailored to your unique needs. Control specific processes effectively with tailored documents. Managing organization master data is simple too. Import data from existing applications or create it individually. With Books365 Data Exchange, options like Excel import and APIs saves time. You can customize each process and workflow to suit your business perfectly. Books365 Advanced ERP platform includes an integrated billion business intelligence. Comprehensive statutory and standard financial reports are included. Need industry analytics? Books365 has got you covered. With Books365 BBI for Financials, you'll find multiple report templates available. Design new templates or modify existing ones effortlessly. With powerful dashboards, insights are just a click away. Plus, the live report viewer keeps your data up to date. Imagine a manufacturing business using Books365. They can track inventory costs in real time and manage supplier payables efficiently. Instant access to financial reports saves time and boosts overall efficiency. To summarize, Books365 Financials automates complex financial processes, simplifying accounts management, offering customizable workflows, and delivering critical insights is our specialty. So, are you ready to elevate your financial management? Visit our website today and start your free trial of Books365 Financials. Take the first step towards smarter financial management now. Contact us at start@books365